up, guys? So, this old girl, she been putting in work. As you guys probably seen on my Facebook and whatnot, we just raffled her off. Old Doug Watson. Winner, chicken dinner. Lucky Doug. So, Doug's going to have a spare bullet or whatever he decides to do with it. So, but I figured, what else you guys got to do? You might as well hang out with me while I pull this bad boy out, right? Who wants to see the new motor? There it are. Look, I'll show you guys. Oh, maybe you can see. Maybe you cannot see. Well, it's backwards, but anyways, you guys get the idea. It's just another motherfucking 5.3. No sleeves, no nothing. Fucking stock crank. Nothing special. You guys want to see my rods? You want to see my fucking rod? Yeah. Rated E for everybody. My guy, L. Jeffrey, gonna throw her together as soon as I get him the rest of the parts he needs. Waiting on a few small things. Probably gonna reuse the camshaft out of this guy, or maybe we're gonna buy a new one. I'm not sure. Rich been talking shit to me. Rich told me, fuck that cam, and then buy a new cam. Right, Rich?
Yeah, fuck that cam and buy a new cam.
Yeah. He's not very enthusiastic, guys. Sorry, he's a little tired today.
I'm very tired today.
Oh, Rich, a little tired, bro. You a little tired, Rich? You've been putting in work in Texas all weekend. That's why he was out there playing in the rain.
Lots of work, lots of rain, lots of
motherfucking Amish tune, baby.
Lots of E-gates.
Oh, Rich is tuning on homie Jason's Corvette. We just got done a few bolt-ons. He got our head and cam package on there. He bought all the parts from us, and we just did I think it was a level 6 RPM 4060. So you know what that means? He gets 6 days. It'll last 6 days instead of a stock one, which will last 0 days. So level 6, that means he's got 6 days of fun in that bad boy. So anyway, hang out with us. We'll get this bad mammy jammy ripped out. Yeah. Motherfucking Jerry. Yeah, he said Jerry made sure everything in the new block, all the machine work and everything was up to his spec. And that's why this mofactor lasted so long, because of team effort from all the Outlaw guys. Starts with Jerry, goes to Jeff, Bill, Richard, and everybody. It's a team effort. So if it wasn't for these guys, that shit wouldn't be able to take my abuse. So, thank you, Jerry.
You're welcome, brother. Anytime.
Appreciate that. So we just make sure that we get everything from the underside. Makes it a little easier. We get all the converter bolts, drain all the oils, the fluids, whatever, transfer fluid, engine oil, of course. Converter bolts, bell housing bolts, whatever else we can kind of get to from the bottom. I got some support rods and a couple other small things. Whatever else, we can get to from down here. Just kind of makes the job a little easier. Finally got to use our freaking new UPR hand wrenches too. Finally got them dirty. Oh, fuck, it's a little dirty now. Oh, fuck, look, I got a little dirty on my face. I ordered a Red Bull and a Notch. Did it come? No. Fuck you then, dude. I only opened one, so. Alrighty, so we fucking drive my 10mm. Fucking stupid. Yeah, so we finished up with the fucking bottom. Now we can fucking lower the car down. And we can do everything on the fucking top. Let's lower it down and see what happens. Now we can knock out everything on the top side. We'll We're gonna take the intake manifold off. We're gonna keep the intake manifold. That's gonna go on the new motor.
Well, man, all shaking. The shaving did.
Gets worse when you shave them.
Yeah, way worse.
Then the bald shave gets.
Put him in a sock.
And then when you shave those motherfuckers, the bald shave is like, bro, when they get to be like them little whiskers, then you fucking start bleeding.
Yeah.
Right, bro?
I feel like my balls fell another 3 inches.
Yeah, bro, you fucking start shaving them motherfuckers. Next thing you know, you wrap your balls in fucking emery cloth. You'll be walking around with emery cloth on your nuts. Fucking street cars have alternators, baby. No, I just don't want it to hit the downpipe. When you come up, I'm just gonna pull it over. Yeah. Pouring all the water out of that feed. I stick on my finger in there so we look from the outside. Bro, that little 5.3 had a good run. Still has a good run. Bitch still run good. I probably done for taking it out. Probably should have left that bitch in there. .4853. Has our CNC heads. Cash block. You can't really see the inside right now, but we will take a video tomorrow and post it on our Facebook or wherever. Or we'll post a little video here. I'm gonna have to pull the pan off because I need to take that pan. So before I put the other pan on for Doug, I will take a little video of us undressing her, pulling her skirt off, and we can look up in there and show y'all she really does got a stock 5.3 crank, just with a piston and a rod. But she's a stout 5.3. Yep. Pretty cool. Yeah. Anywho. Yeah. A little refresh. Pretty soon here. I don't know if we're gonna do it right now. We got some plans in the works. Got a few things in the works. We will see what happens, but I really need to get the rear end out of this bad boy. I really need to get that narrowed. I am going to keep it 4-lug, but we are going to narrow it so we could fit a 29, be able to lower the car a little bit better. She's a tank right now, so. But it works good in the no prep shit, so, you know, it is what it is. Our polished turd ski. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, we got that old mamma jamma out of there. Well, that Turbsky's still right there, though, shining. So anyways, we do appreciate you guys hanging out with us while we get this old thing yanked out. Man, we just trying to grow, and without you guys, we wouldn't be getting anywhere. So we appreciate the likes, the shares, everything like that, telling your friends. We really appreciate it, because we a one-man band over here. I got my family help me do the editing sometimes, or not the editing, but they help me do the filming sometimes. I do the editing. The filming when I can, you know, we're just out here trying to prove and show you guys that you don't have to have the traction control. You don't have to have the $1 million setup. You don't have to have that $100,000 car. You don't have to have 4 or 5 guys there helping you get the car ready and some tuner, you know, setting up your ramp to get down the road, everything like that. You don't need to do that to be fast. I mean, shit, we go out there with this cheat box and we're competitive, and it's me. You know, I'm the one setting it up. I'm the one making it hit, looking at videos, seeing what could happen, what I could do differently. And then I'm also the one going home, editing and doing all that stuff. So all the likes, subscribes, shares, all that stuff, we appreciate it. And we hope you guys keep it up. Thanks for hanging out with us.